Our home planet Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only place we know so far that's inhabited by living things. The only planet where us human beings live. So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Watch with Nachos, and today we will talk about our planet Earth, what's inside it and also few mechanisms of it. Earth is our home planet. Scientists believe Earth and its moon formed around the same time as the rest of the solar system. They think that was about 4.6 billion years ago. Earth is the fifth largest planet in the solar system. Its diameter is about 8,000 miles. And Earth is the third closest planet to the Sun. Its average distance from the Sun is about 93 million miles. Only Mercury and Venus are closer. Earth is the only planet known to have large amounts of liquid water. Liquid water is essential for life. Earth is the only planet where life is known to exist. From space, Earth looks like a blue marble. The blue is water, which covers 71% of Earth's surface, and the rest 29% is land. The equator is an imaginary circle that divides Earth into two halves. The northern half is called the northern hemisphere. The southern half is called the southern hemisphere. The northernmost point on the Earth is called the North Pole. The southernmost point on the Earth is called the South Pole. Earth's atmosphere contains different gases, mainly nitrogen and oxygen. That is 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen, and just 1% of other gases. Now let's answer the question, what's inside Earth? We know that the center of the Earth is very hot. We only have to drill a small way to observe temperature rises from 25 degrees Celsius per kilometer. So at some point, everything might be so hot that we would strike molten rock like the lava that flows from volcanoes. The currently accepted theory of Earth's structure is that it has a core, a viscous mantle, and a silicate crust. At the center of the Earth is the solid inner core. The hot, dense core has a radius of about 1221 kilometers and a pressure of about 3.6 million atmospheres. Temperatures in the inner core are about as hot as the surface of the Sun, that is about 5,200 degrees Celsius, more than hot enough to melt iron. Earth's outer core is sandwiched between the inner core and the mantle. The outer core is approximately 2,200 kilometers thick and composed of liquid iron and nickel. Temperatures in the outer core are between 4,500 degrees Celsius to 5,500. The mantle is the largest and thickest layer of Earth, making up 84% of the planet's volume. The mantle can be further divided into the upper and the lower mantle. The lower mantle makes up 55% of Earth by volume and experiences a huge amount of pressure. Heat and pressure in the lower mantle are much greater than the upper mantle. Crust describes the outermost shell of a terrestrial planet. Our planet's thin 40 kilometer deep crust, just 1% of Earth's mass, contains all known life in the universe. The crust is made up of solid rocks and minerals. It is a familiar landscape on which we live: rocks, soil, and seabed. Do you know about the deepest hole that we have ever dug? Well, this is the Kola Superdeep borehole, the deepest man-made hole on Earth and deepest artificial point on Earth. It is 12.2 kilometers deep and just 9 inches in diameter. It's in Murmansk city of Russia. It took about 20 years to reach that deep. The hole was intended to go as deep as possible. That project ended because of high temperatures. At the depth of 9 kilometers, they reached temperature close to 260 degrees Celsius. Also, it was believed that locals swear you can hear the screams of souls tortured in hell. They call it entrance to hell. So that's it for today's topic about what's inside Earth. Thank you. Namaste.